Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to report AliExpress seller. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to whatever item that you didn't like and you want to report it, or you can go directly to seller's page. So let's go to seller's page. I tap name of the store right here, and on its page you need to find three-dot button in the top right corner of your screen and go to report section. Now select report, and here also in this field you need to paste a link of the product that you didn't like and you had problems with, and here in this field you need to provide reason for reporting. So you have to describe your issue as detailed as possible. And also additionally, if you want to, you can upload some proof right here. It could be any kind of photos or screenshots or other proof to support your claim. And you have to submit these terms and conditions and press submit button to basically submit your report. And AliExpress will review your report and will take some actions if the seller really broke AliExpress rules. And AliExpress might remove the product from AliExpress platform or even ban the store. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.